Hi everyone. Are you considering buying a moissanite ring? Or you may already own one and wonder if moissanite is prone to clouding or discoloration. If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll discuss the durability and maintenance of moissanite rings to help you make an informed decision. First, let's talk about what moissanite is. Moissanite is a hard and durable gemstone initially discovered in a meteorite. It's known for its sparkling brilliance and is often used as a more affordable diamond alternative. Moissanite is also resistant to scratching and chipping, which makes it an excellent choice for everyday wear. Now, let's answer the central question, do moissanite rings get cloudy? The short answer is no. Moissanite is generally not prone to clouding or discoloration. However, like any gemstone, it can accumulate dirt and grime over time, making it appear cloudy or dull. This is quickly resolved by cleaning the ring with mild soap and water or using a jewelry cleaning solution designed explicitly for moissanite. It is also possible for moissanite to develop a film or residue on its surface if it comes into contact with certain chemicals, such as chlorine or bleach. This can cause the stone to appear cloudy or discolored. To prevent this, removing your moissanite ring before engaging in activities that could expose it to these types of chemicals is essential. With proper care and handling, moissanite is a low-maintenance gemstone that is unlikely to become cloudy or discolored over time. So if you're considering a moissanite ring, you can rest assured that it will continue to sparkle and shine for years to come. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has helped you feel more confident in purchasing a moissanite ring. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Everything you want about moissanite and moissanite jewelry is here. Thanks for watching.